In this lesson, we are going to calculate mean, median, mode, and range. Objective for this lesson is students will be able to find or calculate the mean, median, mode, and range of a given data set. Important before we proceed with any calculations, we rearrange data values in increasing order, smallest to largest. Mean is the average of data set. What does it mean? It means is the sum of the numbers in data set divided by how many numbers are there or how many items are there in the data set. Example: find the mean of the following data set: 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 6, 3, 7, 6, 3, 5. Before we proceed with finding the mean, we are going to rearrange these numbers smallest to largest. When we rearrange, we have 1, 2, 3 3s, 4 5s, 2 6, and 1 7. Now we are going to add all these numbers. But before we add, how many numbers are there? Total we have 11 numbers. We are going to add all these numbers. Total comes to 50. The sum of all these numbers is 50. So the average, the mean is 50 divided by 11, which is 4.55. Median is the middle number in a data set arranged in increasing order. It's the middle number only if you have odd numbers. But what if you have even set of numbers in the data set? Then the median will be the middle average of the two middle numbers. So is the middle number in data set arranged in increasing order? If there are two middle numbers, find the average of the two middle numbers, and that will be the median of the data set. Example: find the median of the following data set. Same example I'm using from the one we used for mean, finding the mean in the previous slide. So rearrange the data from smallest to largest. This is what we have. When we cross from left, one from right, second one from left, second one from right, third one from left, third one from right, fourth one from left, fourth one from right, fifth one from left, fifth one from right, we are left with this highlighted 5 in the middle. So the median for this data set is 5. Now, what if you have even number of data set? This is an example for even number. It says find the median of the following data set: 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 6, 6, 7. You see this is already rearranged from increasing order, smallest to largest. So we do not have to rearrange this one. And if we cross out the numbers, one on the left, one on the right, second one on the left, second one on the right, third one on the left, third one on the right, there's two numbers in the middle, that is 3 and 5. So we take average of 3 and 5. That will be the median of this data set. So it's 3 plus 5 is, which is 8, divided by 2, which is 4. So 4 is the median of this data set. Mode. Mode is most repeated number that occurs most often in a data set. Number that occurs most often in a data set. Example: I'm going to use same example from the previous slides, same data set. So most repeated number we see is 5, that occurs 4 times. So mode is 5. Now another example, find the mode of this data set. You have 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 6, 3, 7, 6, 3, 5, 3. Rearrange it. You have 1, 2, 4 3s, 4 5s, 2 6, 1 7. What is the mode of this data set? There's two numbers that is most repeated. So the mode is 3 and 5. The mode is 3 and 5, the numbers that are most repeated. Range. Range is the difference between the largest and the smallest number in the data set. It's the difference between the largest and the smallest number in the data set. So it means biggest number minus the smallest number. Describes the spread of the data. Range describes the spread of the data. Example. I'm using the same example as before. Okay, so our largest number is 7 and the smallest number is 2. So we are going to find the range, which is 7 minus 2, which will be 5. So range for this data set is 5.